Good morning, guys. It is August 8th, 9th. Let me check it. I don't even know my days anymore, you guys. To be honest with you. Yeah, today I got my brother starting full time with me. And we're going to go continue on the project that we started out on the lakes here. So yeah, he is starting. Glad to have him back. Like I was saying, it is nice to have him back. We got a lot of things going on. So I got a lot of projects I got to look at. It's crazy. You say you need knee pads. You need knee pads? You need knee pads?
Be nice.
Yeah. Get the knee pads. I'll stop and grab them. Alright guys, we're gonna head down there. I gotta go grab some knee pads. Looks good. We are here to pick up our material. We're going to start out on the steps in front of the door there. The guys right now are getting it prepped. So, yeah, here's what we got. All of these are ours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 13 pallets, guys. 13 pallets. Yeah. Alright, so the guys came in for lunch. How's the first day back? Huh?
Real better because I have to. I get up at 6, I go run for a little while.
You go run? Where?
On the run, couple blocks.
You don't do that when you work at Hitchcock?
No, I can't get up at 4 in the morning.
I don't know where he finds times to exercise. Alright, so the guys are getting the material loaded up. I got a phone I gotta fix quick. Then I got another phone coming in tonight at 8. So there's always phone to fix in the middle of everything. Let's see what they got going on here. we got going on, guys. We are gonna build steps going up to here. So this is gonna be like a 10-foot by 4 feet wide pad, and then stepping down into the patio. So they're prepping for that. Alright guys, we keep forgetting pencils, so I got this scriber pen I bought. And focus, it's just like a little deal here. See if this works good to mark the blocks where we need to cut. You don't need this?
No, the level of the thing, straight line.
I know, we used to do string line and everything. Because we got this through here, don't we? We got that put that cap.
No, because you have the cap on top, so that's going to be pretty.
Morning guys, this is day 2 with my brother helping. Yesterday was awesome. I'm glad to have him back. You got the dope key? They should have told me about how to put it here. We just put it here when we don't go anymore.
Yeah.
Grab some more. Oh, those? Biggest size one.
Get one. Get a big one.
Yeah. The
I
next
think
size
that
one.
one's
This one
way
looks
off.
good.
Oh, I think that one's off.
Yeah, get the next size one up.
No, we didn't think of it. Alright guys, we got loaded up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take the truck down and get some gravel. I gotta check my bait store. Gotta get some more minnows. But man, we are getting stuff done, guys. We are rolling. Ever since yesterday, my brother started, and man, it felt good to just like get the right person on the job. Not that Michael wasn't right. He's done landscaping, so prior few years back with me, and he's a hard worker as well, and he just gets stuff done. So I'm glad that I got him, and then it allows me to take care of bids and land jobs, sell jobs. And so yeah, guys. Alright guys, we got everything loaded up, ready to go, and go deliver some of the stuff for the guys. And this is the small stuff that business owners we try to make things smoother for the guys, right? Well, the bathroom stuff, since we are like far away from the gas station or back home to go use the restroom, I just went ahead and called the portable bathroom guys that deliver the portable Johns, and I've never used it or rented it, so I called them up and asked to rent one, and it's pretty nice and convenient. They are gonna drop it off at the site, and When we're done with it, we just throw it on the trailer to our next job site, and when it needs to be pumped, they come out and pump it. 25 bucks or something, 30 bucks for them to pump it, and it's not bad. 150 bucks for the year, so it's well worth it. Yeah, so no more driving back and forth unless we really need to, so which I am glad. So all those small little things, you guys, it's, even though it costs a little bit, it's not even much, but it costs money, but it's well worth it. So yeah, now we're gonna head down to the project.
Yeah, because we have to move away from here.
Yeah, from there to there, it's not gonna be 20.
No.
It's just this way, yeah.
This way.
The steps look nice.
Inside. That was my spot.
Man, that looks nice. Looks nice. So we got 7 column, you guys, up, or they're gonna frame out the 4 and then add the 2 center ones.
Are we only using the caps for the stairs?
What's that?
These caps for the stairs only?
And the freestanding wall.
And the freestanding wall? Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys want to, when you get that column up, pull that out. Take this.
We're gonna have to pull everything off.
Yeah, because we got to get in here too. Get that grass out.
Yeah, we gotta have to.
Yeah. Yep, the walkway. So we'll have to build up the.
Might as well just do that grass now.
Yeah,
We're gonna have to
man, they got all service. They got people come clean your cobweb.
Yeah. I gotta go up the sand, dude. I gotta get some more gravel. I gotta build that.
All right, so the guys are getting the columns, and they're finishing up the steps, which is nice.
I just dropped the sand between one of the columns because those are already pretty level. So
How much sand you guys bring in? A couple loads or just one scoop?
that scoop, and then there's 3 buckets out there.
Okay.